Silent and unseen here. I'm going to be shooting the 45 Springfield Armory 1911 series pistol. And my target will be, first of all, we'll have a happy little zucchini. And over here we'll have a angry looking zucchini. And another appearance of Mr. White Bear. And off in the distance, Mr. Happy Zucchini there, who's hanging from the tree. Oh, did that hurt? Okay. That's the results of that zucchini. And this one didn't fare any better. He's toast. And Mr. Bear, he's toast too. I threw a zucchini right up his kazoo. Oh, I missed one. Didn't even shoot at that one. Forgot about that. And this one here we have a little shot up, good eye shot. Woohoo! Awesome. Well, until next time.